This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, June 4th. Stock index futures coming under some pressure due to weaker than anticipated economic reports. So the short-term outlook is becoming more neutral now as the bullish influence of pressure on the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates is being offset by the bearish influence of increasing prospects of a weaker U.S. economy. However, the long-term outlook still appears to be bullish for stock index futures. In the currency markets, in the overnight trade, the dollar index fell to its lowest level since April 10th. However, prices are recovering and are higher now. Interest rate differential expectations are neutral for the U.S. dollar, as major central banks this year are likely to lower key interest rates. Also, we'll have the Bank of Canada holding its policy meeting tomorrow, and a rate cut is anticipated, although the vote is unlikely to be unanimous. And on the interest rate futures markets, we have futures higher across the board. No major speeches from Fed officials due to the blackout period before the June 12th Federal Open Market Committee meeting. Right now, there is a 63% chance that the Fed will be cutting rates at the September 18th meeting. Just yesterday, that probability was at just 56%. So there is more and more of a chance that the Fed will pivot to accommodation, possibly sooner. So this is the market to be in on the long side. This is where the fundamentals are most aligned to one way, and that is to the upside. So any breaks should be used as buying opportunities in the interest rate futures markets across the board. However, it does appear that the long end of the curve futures, the 30-year Treasury bond futures, have the most bullish fundamentals. So once again, this is the place to be on the long side in the interest rate futures markets across the board, as the Fed is likely to be cutting rates possibly sooner than some analysts had anticipated. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.